This is Brasso. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is P, bottom is J. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. For 16127. And save. Up first, it is Donny van der Beek. That is V for Van der Beek. Yeah, we did that at lunch, Oscar. Just adjust its focus a little bit. Gold, mint 9, 7 of 10 for Man U. V for Van der Beek is in spot 17. Leo Lee. Hello, Magda. I did. And that's very nice. Orange Lava Mint 9, Diogo Jota. Fantastic card for the J spot. Spot 21, Ben Hill, last in. And that is Brace done.